Alright, what's going on everyone? I'm Tristan, and today in this video what I'm doing is I'm going over 5 Hypebeast items, or just items in general. They're not necessarily Hypebeast, just items in general that can make your Hypebeast room actually cooler, or a little better, just something like that. And I thought I'd go over it in this video, so I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you guys want more content like this, feel free to go ahead and subscribe below just for more videos like this, and also drop a like. Let's try to hit, let's say, 102 likes. So I want to see everybody viewing this video drop a like, alright? And let's see if we can hit 102 likes. That'd be dope. I'm in a good mood. We're just about to make this video. I haven't done something on room essentials in definitely like a month plus, so this is just something cool to do. Of course, you guys seem to enjoy these videos, so yeah, pretty much gonna get straight into it. I almost always forget this. Dang, I just need to slow down for a sec. Follow me on both my Instagrams right here. You guys go check those out. I'd appreciate a follow on either or both. That'd be dope. And yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say. Other than I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and let's get started. Alright, so the first Hypebeast room essential that I thought was really cool, or just a room essential in general, was actually, I got it sent to me from this place called 500 Large. It's like a company. They make like sneaker, like sticker vinyls, and they're really, really cool, and I want to show you guys them. They sent me this note about what they're about, and like me becoming an ambassador for their brand, which is super cool. So this is definitely the first little sneaker accessory I wanted to point out. But it's basically, as you can see, this one is super sick, and they're all original pieces of artwork is what they showed me too. There's another sheet of paper, but basically showed that like someone created this and it's original artwork, which is pretty cool. So first thing, we got like this sticker, and basically what we got is we got the verified authentic off-white sneaker, or not off-white, let me think. This is, yeah, Air Jordan 5 Retro Supreme. We got this one right here, and it's basically on the Supreme sticker, and it's a sticker right here. This whole entire thing's a sticker, look, as you can see. So like the fat heads that they had for like football players, it's basically that, but now for sneakers, and I think that's pretty cool. So basically fat heads for sneakers, and that's really cool. Like, actually, that's a saying I think they should use. Like, low-key, go ahead, take it. I'm not gonna even say anything. I'm not gonna come back copyright all. Y'all can use it. Literally fat heads for sneakers, and I think that's pretty cool. So like this whole idea, very unique, and you got like this one, got another one here too. This one's super sick, and this one's actually, yeah, Arizona Iced Tea Adidas Young One. You got this one too, another limited edition one. That's pretty cool. If you guys want to go check out these vinyls for yourself and go buy them, you go check them out. Just go use the link in the description. And actually, you guys can use the code Tristan Wick if you're ordering some of these. Like here's another one that I got, the Sakai Nike LD Waffle Trainer. I got this one too. But if you guys are ordering any of these or want any of these, basically the first 5 people that use my code Tristan Wick get 60% off their entire order. So if you guys want to go check that out, go do that. That'd be dope. But yeah, these are super sick. I'm gonna try and put these on my wall, maybe like one of these. I think that'd be cool. And this is definitely something super sick. So and they even show you like how to apply them too, which I think it's super dope. So just doing something a little different for room accessories. So the first one I want to point out, something to make your room a little cool. You guys go check them out in the description. Shout out 500 Large. But basically the fat heads for sneakers. Next up, and this is a suggestion that I feel like it's pretty much free. I mean, all you have to do is buy a pair of shoes to basically do this one. And this one I just feel like nobody's really taking into account. But basically, the idea of actually using a shoebox is pretty cool as a room accessory to make your room cooler. Because I've seen people, there's YouTube videos out there on them where people have gone viral off just talking about how you guys can hang sneaker boxes on your wall and actually display your sneakers on top of them, which I think that's pretty cool. So you could basically attach these to your wall and display sneakers on top of them, or you can just stack them up like I've done, create kind of like a display sort of thing. Like see, like if I put this one back here, as you guys can tell, just like there goes like my belt, or one of them right here. And that just kind of displays up here with all my stuff, and that's really how it works. So like that's pretty cool. I stacked up a few in there. I got more in my closet. All my shoes are down there underneath though in separate cases, which is another thing you can do, put your stuff in cases. I see some people do that, but I really mess with the idea of like stacking up your shoe boxes just like this to create something kind of a little cool like that, something simple. And I really mess with it. So basically the second little room accessory you can use, or just kind of like even something like a DIY, just something like, I don't know, it's not like something you really go out and buy, it's just kind of included. So I guess a use of sneaker boxes is just stack them up and add some vibrancy to your room. Is that a word? And the third room accessory I wanted y'all to mess with, I actually discussed this, but Supreme towels. You can go on Grailed and find these cheap, but basically you can just hang them up on your wall like this, or like the one out here. Yeah, I'm taking my whole tripod, picking it up like a whole vlog thing here, or like that one. So you see I have 2 kind of hung up on my wall, one right here, one right there, and you can basically go on Grailed and find you know, ones kind of like for cheaper, and I think they look pretty cool. Like, I really like the look of this one. I bought this one in person at like a sneaker event. You usually don't find these at sneaker events, but that's why I did with this one. This one I actually bought online. You see, kind of just drilled them into my wall. But you know, if you do it right, I think it can look good in a room. It's just if you kind of put them in like places that where they wouldn't like look good, like if you put them like low to the ground, things like that, like it probably wouldn't look good. But if you like hang them up like this, like if you were hanging up like a flag or something, I think it would look good. So third suggestion, just Supreme towels. I mean, it's just simple, you know, just basically a towel that says Supreme on it. Or just anything, just something cool, like it could be like a picture of your like favorite rapper or whatever. I don't care, anything like that. And next up, this one, I don't have any in-hand examples and I wish I did, but basically album vinyls or single vinyls from your favorite artists. Now this doesn't really just apply to rap artists, this can really apply with kind of any musician, but vinyls are very popular, you know, artists put them out, you know, like when they release a new album or something like that, they basically put them out, you know, to like promote a singer or something like that, and you guys probably know what they are. Basically just get one of some of your favorite albums, you know, make like a little vinyl wall, like that'd be pretty cool, just like an album, like a wall dedicated to like some of your favorite music, and just like the vinyls of those songs or albums or like different collections of music, things like that. And I think that's another great little accessory that you guys could get. So I think I've pointed this out in a room accessories video before, so if I have, this is just me kind of emphasizing on it again. It's a really good one, and this one's a more affordable one too, because vinyls aren't, unless it's a rare one and it's like authentic, that expensive. So you can definitely go find these for cheaper. I mean, they're usually mass produced for most rappers anyway, so like I'm pretty sure it's not hard to get your hands on a Roddy Ricch, antisocial, or the box vinyl. I'm sure it's not hard. So that's another suggestion I have. Maybe cop. Alright, so the final one, or two suggestions I want to talk about, would be Supreme stickers and Travis Scott cereal. Now, y'all know I like Travis Scott cereal. I got a good bit of it. Got this here. I've made plenty of videos on it. Got a lot of empty ones in here. A ton of empty ones in here. But basically, these boys right here, you can find very cheap online on like Grailed. Even at some stores across like the world, I think you can still find them. But most stores are closed right now, so I guess good luck. But maybe not a grocery store or Walmart, so you could have a chance of finding it, but you probably won't find it nowadays, now at a store. Now it's a little more rare to find at a store, but it's not rare. Like, there's so many of them out there that you can find online. They're very easy to get access of, so if you need to look for some, just go in apps like Grailed, go online, you can purchase Travis Scott cereal like that. So I think that's pretty cool. And you know, just something like that, so you can mess with the Travis Scott cereal. And also I was talking about Supreme stickers being a really good room accessory. As you can see, like, I'm making like a Supreme sticker desk. I still have a lot more to add, but like, you can also put Supreme stickers like on things like your door. Like, I got them on like all my doors, so you know, you can check that. You know, that's just something I did way back in the day. I don't know why I did it, but I just did it. So stickers can just add like a little more enthusiasm to your room. So if you want to just have more enthusiasm in your room, maybe get some stickers, spice it up a little bit. But that's pretty much all the accessories and different things that I have to discuss that can make a room instantly cooler, as you want to say. So if you want to go check those out, there'll be a link in the description. Some of them will. I'm not really going to link anything in the description other than the first one I discussed, which is 500 large. So if you want to go check them out, that'd be dope. But yeah, pretty much all I got to say. I'm Tristan, and let's roll that outro. But yeah, if you guys want more content like this, then feel free to go ahead and subscribe below and drop a like for more videos like this. I'd really appreciate that. Let's see if we can get 102 likes again, so don't forget, drop that like. If you guys also want to, go mess with my Instagram, so I'll link those in the description if you want to go check them out. Reselling in personal page. Both those. But yeah, you know, just discussing some room accessories today. You know, again, my county's now about to be in an official quarantine. I was joking about it, but now it's actually happening. So like, just gonna be making videos a bunch since there's literally going to be nothing else I can do. So pretty much the vibes. So yeah, just record another video here. So I hope you guys did enjoy it. Let me know in the comments if you did. If you have any other suggestions, go leave them down below. But I'm gonna slow it down and just relax now and just say thank you guys for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.